Divisibility rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Divisibility rule of 2. The last digit of the number must be even. Divisibility rule of 3. The sum of the digits of the number must be divisible by 3. Steps to check divisibility by 6. Check if the last digit is even, divisible by 2. Calculate the sum of the digits and check if it is divisible by 3. If both the conditions are met, the number is divisible by 6. Given number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Condition 1. Last digit 6 is even and is divisible by 2. Condition 2. Sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 21. 21 is divisible by 3. Both condition 1 and condition 2 are satisfied. Conclusion: the given number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is divisible by 6. The given number is 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 8. Condition 1. The last digit 8 is even and divisible by 2. Condition 2. Sum of digits 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 8 is 24. 24 is divisible by 3. Both condition 1 and condition 2 are satisfied. Conclusion: the given number 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 8 is divisible by 6. The given number is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Condition 1. The last digit 6 is even and is divisible by 2. Condition 2. The sum of the digits 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 29. 29 is not divisible by 3. Hence, the given number is not divisible by 3. Only condition 1 is satisfied, but condition 2 is not satisfied. Conclusion: the given number 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not divisible by 6. Odd numbers are not divisible by 6. Examples: the numbers 3, 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 7, 0, 1, 6, 5, 1 are odd numbers. These odd numbers are not divisible by 6.